Everyone loves a green day in the stock market.
Bam! Everything changes and it's red, which leaves you wondering, will my investments ever recover? Hey, did you tell them about the dividends you got last month? Darren, I told you that's for the next video. So let's examine my account performance, talk about my investing strategy, or should I say reevaluate it so I can figure out where we're gonna go next. Welcome to the Crazy Canuck Investor, an average everyday Canadian just like you who's trying to help other people get started investing in the stock market. Today is portfolio update number 16. I want to give a shout out to Vancouver Island Guy. He picked up on an error that I made in my last video. If you watched my last video, I'm sure you were pretty excited to hear that TD was trading at $17 a share when in fact it's actually trading at $77 a share. So thank you very much, Vancouver Island Guy, for pointing that out. Now, with that said, TD trading at $77 is a good buy and it is a good dividend stock.
And so the portfolio between my RRSP and the TFSA are up to $25,111. Our TFSA is up to $11,339. Again, I tipped over that $10,000 mark and we're shooting for the next goal of $20,000. Over the last day, we're down $81.47. And over the week, we're down $302.04. Over the month, we're down $402.21. And for the last 3 months, we're down $858.31. That's a whopping 7%. Pretty nerve-wracking. And our all-time returns were down 5%, which is $640.51.
Here at the Crazy Canuck Investor, I use Wealthsimple as my brokerage to do all of my trading. If you want to get started with Wealthsimple, look in the video description below for my referral link. You'll get some money in your account to start your trading. It'll come for free, and I get a little kickback as well.
I just want to point out one thing, that basically every stock that I hold in my portfolio is down right now, as you can see by all of the red arrows that point down. And the only stock that was performing positively recently was my VFV, but even that's down today. It's down 2.48%. So wanting to capitalize on the market, I've managed to put $810.59 into my account, which is more than the regular $500 that I put in bi-weekly. And we're going to top that up today. And just like that, we now have $1,010.59 to invest. All right, so given the fact that the markets are down so much, and including VFV, I'm definitely going to take advantage of this to dollar cost average. And if you don't know what dollar cost averaging is, it's simply applying a regular amount of money each time you're investing into the same stock. That way, if the stock goes up, you're averaging up, and if it goes down, you're averaging down. In this case, I'm definitely averaging down. I've been watching the stock this week, and it's slowly been dropping, and I've been keeping track of that. So today, we're going to buy 3 shares of VFV. Okay, so we've got 3 shares of VFV, and we're just going to confirm that. Moving on, today we're going to capitalize on what I would say is a 52-week low for TD Bank. And today we're going to buy 7 shares. Again, highlighting a great opportunity to dollar cost average into a solid stock that appreciates over time, both from growth and dividend perspective. I recently did a video that talked a little bit about TD, and you can see that right here if you want to watch that video. Okay, so we got 7 shares of TD Bank. Now we're going to move on to RioCan. Again, in my most recent video, I talked a little bit about RioCan. Again, you can watch that video in the link provided. Today we're going to buy 7 shares of REI. Again, it's down in price, so it's a good opportunity to buy it. And we have $57.84 left. So what we're going to do with that, a little bit of money left, is we're going to put that into a fractional purchase of QQCF. It has also come down significantly in price. So again, it's a great time to buy, to continue dollar cost averaging. And the nice thing about QQCF is, again, it's one of those stocks that is more about growth than it is any dividend. The dividend is really small, but this is a great way to invest in some American companies. And like all fractional buys that I've talked about in the past, it'll be filled by the end of the trading day today.
Bottom line is that a red day is just another day. Don't panic. You may kick yourself later. What is red will return back to green, which means that you will have missed out on some returns. If you liked what you saw here today, hit the subscribe and the like. Turn on your bell notification so you can get more of my content. It helps get the channel out to other people just like you who want to get started investing in the stock market.